So I'm at the tail end of wrapping up Christmas of 2023, and I just got three more sections into a bag, and these are my new Red Sleigh bags. So I figured I'd do a video on this particular section of trees. It's the upper half. Got one more section, which is the top half, which is all tree-lit and remains that way. That I got a bag just dedicated to that one. Got the first two sections put away. Of course, this tree is still incandescent, and it's from 2023, not 2023, but 2015. So this is a 2015 Balsam Hill. It's a 12-footer, still incandescent, because at the time of 2015, this particular model was only available in incandescent. Now they have it in LED or LED or DELs. So, being that this is 2015, of course we all know that incandescent lights are not going to last forever, so they go out. And I do this twice a year, so I do a light check in the beginning of the year before I put it up, and I do a light check as I put it away. And so far, here are the casualties. So I don't know exactly how many lights are on this particular tree, but there's probably a few thousand. So I got quite a number of burnouts. So if you got one of these trees, you do know that it comes with a box of spares. So that's all I got left for spares for the remaining section, and hopefully there's not that many out. But not that it would matter, because I have plenty of spares on hand to repair the light, repair the trees, I should say. So I got my box of lights. So these are the first generations that I got from hard to find items. So these are the classic 2.5 volts. But I figured I need more. So I went to the Vermont place, and I got the 2.5 volt, 200 milliamp, 500 per bag. So I forget the name of the place, but it's 3 digits Vermont or something like that. So I got 1,000 lamps. I'll put the title of the place where I got them particular 2.5 volt bulbs on the description. So now I'm going to just demonstrate the Red Sleigh bags, because these are brand new bags, and I had a video on them earlier in 2023 or 2022. So each bag has its own little cinch it up straps, and there's 2 of them on the inside of the bag, so you can get this bag shut better. And of course, you're still going to struggle a little bit. So if you got somebody on to help you with the zipper, it's even better. But I can manage this by myself. So all you got to do is just you got to squeeze it a little bit, get them cinched up little by little on either end. Of course, you're going to have to squeeze the bag. Of course, this is where your partner comes in handy. They can squeeze the bag and help you zip it up. So the only thing you want to watch out for is that you don't put too much stress on the zipper, because you might pop it, and then the zipper will be useless. Of course, with this bag, you get a little extra help to tighten it up with these outside straps, so we can start things cinched up to help you zip it up. This is handy when you're by yourself. Makes it a little easier. There. So that takes care of this 3 sections, and the beauty about these things, of course, you can carry them with the provided carry strap for them. And it's got go handles on either side, so if you've got to, hoist it up into a loft or carry it outside the door, you can. But this one's got wheels on the one end, so you can just roll it away. So now I got one more section to work on. Of course, I didn't have to do too much work to them to get the lights to work. The Light Keeper Pro got some of the sections working again, so I can replace the bulbs. I didn't have to get the big buzz box out to really zap it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.